when we live in this life, we don't know where we're going to go. But everything we do is to take us where we're supposed to go. Because this is the way it is planned. So you can experience certain things, those life situations, and through experiencing those life situations, you can overcome certain tendencies within us. Because we don't know what they are unless we will see them through the experiences within life. So for that reason, no matter what experience that you have in life, is to point something within you. Everything invites you to grow. Everything invites you to look within. So have a look. So ask yourself, what are those life situations that I am experiencing? What are they exposing within me? What are they bringing out of me? Because there's one truth that you cannot stop experiencing. You don't have a choice. You can go inside the room, close the windows, pull the curtains, switch off all the electricity, everything, complete silence, but you're still experiencing silence. You can put the corks in your ears, sit down in the park. Oh, I had enough of experiencing. No, you can't. You're still experiencing. On that, you haven't got a choice. But when you wake up in the morning, you have not got a choice. You always be experiencing. All this existence, everything. Whenever you're back here, in a waking state, you always will be experiencing. So why not to ask, why am I here? What those experiences pointing in me? What those experiences pointing within me? You know exactly what they are, wherever you are, at whatever part of the earth, wherever you sit, however you look, whatever you eat, whatever you dress. You know exactly what those things within you are. You know exactly what they are, but yet you never look at them. Why? Don't you want to be free of them? Don't you want to be free of them? We are looking for freedom in some sort of future. Forget about it. Forget about future and freedom. Forget about it. Those two things don't go together. Freedom is futureless. Freedom is futureless. Pastless. freedom is now, right here, in this moment. I'm sure mind can bring many, many images and expectations of how it will look like, how sparkly and how lovely it will be. There's some truth in that. There is some truth in that. But it won't help you this way. Because first you need to remove the barriers within yourself. There's so many things we are attached to. There's so many things we carry within ourselves. But how can you drop them if you don't know what they are? At the moment, you're suffering from the shadow. From the shadow of something. Have a look. What is this shadow of?